things we wanted to focus on in Amusement Connect at the back half of this year, based on some really great feedback from our customers, was manual redemption. How do we make it faster? How do we make it better? How do we make it have a great guest experience? So we collected a lot of feedback from our customer base and really tried to listen to all the needs and concerns they had. Some customers wanted to have a touch experience. Some customers wanted to have a keyboard and mouse experience, and some folks wanted to have a barcode experience. So I'm happy to introduce Redemption Connect. It's manual redemption reinvented. What we have is a 4-player system. We work with 4 players at a time using a touch experience or a single barcode scanner. So we're not fumbling around with multiple barcode scanners, it's one barcode scanner. With the barcode scanner, we have a 8 command sheet to help you navigate the screen. And we'll work through the barcode experience, because in a high volume arcade, this could be the solution that's right for you. The 2-screen experience from Amusement Connect standpoint was super important, and it was, how do we celebrate the top game players, the top ticket earners, and also include an optional slideshow that will go through different slides that you can easily configure in the web app on what you want to promote. You promote the PlayStation that you have behind the counter, or promote some of the high value ticket items, or just that you have happy hour on Tuesdays. So let's get started with the experience. We'll just use the barcode for this, and I've got 4 theoretical people in front of me. I have my command sheet, and then I have these barcodes that would typically be on the bin right behind the item or on the item itself. So let's get started. I'm going to focus on player 1, and I'm going to pull player 1 into session. When I do, it's going to show player 1 where they won their tickets, the top 5 highest paying ticket items. If they've registered, their name is here, their card number. This person's got 2,428 tickets. If they know what they want, they can start shopping. And I'll just pick a foam finger, there we go. And I'll let him decide what he wants next. In the meantime, I'm gonna help my second player. And now he wants a parachute man. So here's a parachute man. He's deciding what he wants. I'm going to help the third player, and we'll give him some playing cards. And then I'll help a 4th player while they're making some decisions, and we'll give them some army men. So you can see, they get to see what prizes are in their cart, their ticket balance. It's easy to see. In this case, player 3 had 60 tickets, all of them are in the cart. 25 tickets in the cart, 60 remain, 5 in the cart, 55 remain. So player 3, they say, I've spent all my tickets, I'm done. So I'm going to focus player 3 and check them out. And we get a nice thank you message here that says, thanks for checking out. We will focus on player 1 and let them buy some more stuff. And as I scan those items, they populate in here. So I bought 2 foam rockets, finger trap, and baseball net. I'm going to come back to player 2, because player 2 said I want some army men. Add army men to player 2, and I'm going to check out player 2. I'm going to go to player 4, and I'm going to focus player 4, and I'm going to buy a finger trap. Oh, the kid does not want the finger trap, so I'll undo that, and off it comes, and I'll check him out. Player 1 says, I've got this in my cart, and I want to figure out what more I can earn. You know what? I'm going to hand everything back to you, and I'm just going to cancel this transaction. No big deal. We'll just cancel the transaction. I get a canceled message here, and now I go back to my slideshow experience while I'm waiting for customers to help. So you can see with a relatively, with 1 scanner, we think we have a nice value proposition for manual redemption. It's speedy to navigate between 4 players. We think it's a better solution than multiple scanners, because you get the scanner in your hand and you have a command sheet, and you're able to navigate the counter quite easily. The other thing with Redemption Connect is you could have 2 setups with 2 displays. 1 setup, 1 display, and 1 setup without a customer-facing display. In a rush of a party or something, you could
break out a laptop or break out a Microsoft Surface, for example, and use that touch experience, which maybe you have a wristbands, so we'll just go ahead and scan our wristband in, and I can purchase items quite easily here. And you can see that, and I can check me out. Easy enough. So a couple other features we have. Easily you can query card balance, see how much value is in the card. I got this wearable wristband, I'm gonna scan that. And it sees what games I played, how much my ticket balance is, my dollar value, and all that. I can do manager functions where I can add tickets, for example. I'm gonna add tickets to this card. So I'm gonna add, 65 tickets to the card, add. I can do other things like combine cards. So I can take my destination card, my wrist, so I can scan these cards and this one. And I got these into session. This is how many tickets and credits we transferred. I press move both. The tickets and credits would go to the destination card. I can move credits only or tickets only, or just, release. So that's some of the easy things you can do to kind of manipulate tickets. In the touch experience, you can do it by ticket value or by alphabetical, and it's what people are used to, that kind of scrolly touch screen iPad experience of finding the item. And then the last but not least, the biggest problem folks have with barcodes is the barcode that's on the item changes over time. We made that fairly easy by allowing you to click edit, choose the item, and change the barcode on the fly if you're a manager, and if you need to change the quantity, hit save. So if I wanted to change that barcode, I could just go in here and eliminate it and scan an item, and it'll take that item, and now whatever I just scanned, finger trap barcode. So what was finger trap is now this whatever I just scanned. So hopefully with that, you can see I can easily flex up 4 at a time and really navigate customers. You can check them out, let them come back, and we're looking forward to great feedback from you as you get to use it and you start to identify how it works for you, and we look forward to continued success and growth together. Thanks.